Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to register a Wizz account. Just open the app, wait a little bit, and then go to this sign in button in the top right corner. And now you can find this register button, tap on it, and then you will have to give some personal information like your name and your country, mobile number, and so on. After that, you must tick these two here, these two, and click on register. After that, you will get an activation link to your email. So you have to open that email and click on the link, and after that you will be able to sign into your account. That's basically it. I hope it helps.